Hi and welcome, my name is Neil and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to spot signals using my new Beat the Binaries strategy. If you've never used or experienced binary betting before, then basically it's a great new way of trading on the outcome of a particular event. Now with my strategy, we've got two separate systems which allow you to either take a more relaxed approach and trade hour by hour. In other words, we only need to check a chart every 1 hour and enter the trade within a couple of minutes. Or we've got a more fast-paced approach, which is checking the chart every 5 minutes for a particular signal to occur. Now, of course, the 5-minute option does give us a couple more opportunities during the day, but the 1 hour one is a bit more relaxed, and it does still present us with at least a couple of opportunities during the day. So, as you can see, I've got some charts here. Within the course, I show you how to set up all your charts and everything step by step. Now, you'll notice that we've got some coloured lines here. And these coloured lines are plotted on the chart each and every day. Now, what these lines do is they kind of predict what's going to happen to the market an hour later. I'm just looking at the 1 hour chart here at the moment. As you can see up here, I'm on the Euro US dollar 1 hour market. And what I can usually predict with great accuracy is the likeliness of the market reversing at one of these coloured lines here. So say for example I arrive at my chart at say 9 o'clock in the morning and this candle had just closed right on this green coloured line here, then my prediction was that the market would reverse at this line here and finish as a red candle, and it did. Now the beauty of binary betting is the fact that using my strategy we can get great odds and at least double our stake. So if I had to put £20 on the likeliness of this market reversing at this coloured line here, then I would have doubled my money once I placed the bet and made another £20 in tax-free profit. Let's look over here. It's another example on the British pound US dollar 1 hour chart. I predicted that when the candle closed right against this green dashed line here, that the market would reverse and it would close as a red candle. And look what happened, it closed as a red candle. So again, for example, if I'd have put £50 on the likeliness of this event occurring, then we would have won £50 in tax-free profit. Now there's a couple of opportunities each day presented. You'll normally find that some of the candles will close right next to or right on one of these coloured lines. And when we spot that signal, we simply enter the market, walk away, leave the trade to close out automatically, absolutely no trade management at all, and it will close out with either a profit or a loss. Now the likeliness of a profit occurring is a lot higher. In fact, with my strategy it's around 60 to 70% chance of a profit occurring over a loss. So if we double our stake for each and every bet, the chances are a lot higher with these strategies than the likes of horse racing or any other kind of sports betting at all. So again, these coloured lines are plotted every single day at new levels, and when we spot a candle closing right on one of these lines, it's as simple as predicting that the market will go in the opposite direction. It takes a couple of minutes, if that, to place a trade, and we can just walk away and leave the chart for another hour. With the 5-minute approach, we don't use the coloured lines at all. We use another indicator which I explain in detail in the manual. And with the 5-minute chart, as I said earlier, gives you another strategy on making money using binary betting using a quicker, more fast-paced approach. So for example, we would check the market every 5 minutes, and once a 5-minute candle closed, let me just switch to the 5-minute chart now. For example, say this was our signal here. I've not plotted the special indicator on the chart for obvious reasons in this demonstration video, but say for example this 5-minute candle agreed with our indicator, then we would have predicted that the market would reverse and the next candle 5 minutes later would close as a green one. And again, this happened right here. So we doubled our profit. So say we'd stuck a £20 stake on the likeliness of the market reversing 5 minutes after this candle closed here, and the candle did close in a different colour, then we win double our stake back. So that's another £20 profit. Another example here, the markets had gone up, our indicator had told us that the market was likely to reverse. So within that 5 minutes, candle went up here. The indicator, as I say, you can't see at the moment on this chart for obvious reasons. We predicted that 5 minutes later, we entered our trade and said that the market would finish lower or as a red candle, and the prediction was right, and we collected double our initial stake in profit. Now, of course, there are going to be losers as well. As I explained before, the strike rate using any of my two strategies is between 60 and 70%, and sometimes even more. And when we get at least double our stake back, and you can see that we can make quite a decent profit with the many opportunities that are presented each and every day. I do hope you enjoyed this quick video, just to see how easy it was to enter trades using my Beat the Binaries strategy. Although I've not given a great deal away, it really is that simple. It's quite relaxed. There's no rush to get into a particular trade. For example, say we'd missed the hour, even if it was 15 minutes past the hour, we can still get into the trade late and still make a profit on our initial stake. Okay, thanks for watching this short video.